What's up, guys? This is Rey-Jay back with another video. And in this one, I want to give you guys a very quick update about the markets. Just know that I am not a financial planner. So, looking at SPY, we got this very nice pump to all-time highs. But instead of holding above 672, we got a rejection and we came down to 670. Now, that support is failing us. And we're going to see if we could hold around 668.9. If it can't hold this by the 4-hour close, we do expect this to continue to fall, possibly down to 665. Right now, SPY is showing some weakness. On the daily, if we get a close like this would be a bearish engulfing candle, which would also be favoring more downside. So it depends. Can the bears keep us below these key levels? Can they keep us below 670 and then 668.9? If so, be ready for more downside as the market's looking for a big pivot right now. We were at all-time highs earlier. We were holding for the first half hour, but then as time went on, SPY started to reject and now we're starting to dip. On the triple Q, we got this big rejection. We started off with a nice pump, hitting 610, which is what our target was. But instead of holding, we rejected. We also went over the bearish case in case we lost 605. I said to look out for a bearish move. Because 605 fails us, we're looking for this gap fill, taking us down to 603. We're going to see if 603 holds. If not, we're going to be dipping to 599.85 on the QQQ. So look for a dip to 603 and we'll see if it can hold. If not, we're looking for a rejection. The IWM was looking quite good. We got a rejection as well. We have to reclaim 245. If not, 242 is coming, then 240 as it looks more bearish. ES has a triple top here, looking for 67.50. If it doesn't hold, we're going to be dumping a lot more. So look for some more downside risk. On NQ, we could be dipping more off this bearish divergence. We could be dipping to 24,978, and we'll see what happens as we see more sellers stepping in. Bitcoin had 125,000 resistance. We were holding very nicely in the morning, and we got a rejection. Now we're favoring 120,000 flat, so there's more downside risk. Tesla's also getting a rejection right now. I don't really see the post yet at the time I'm recording this about their newer model, but it should be coming out soon. There's a gap down here at 430. If 440 fails us, we're looking for 435 and 440. Keep in mind, we need to get back above 450 to really bounce, but if this is a lower high compared to this high, don't forget there's that possibility of like a head and shoulders on Tesla, which could be favoring more downside for the 430s or below. Nvidia pumped all the way up to almost 190 and rejected, so now it's showing some weakness. We kind of pumped and rejected. We could be looking for a 182 retest. On Appl, we pumped and rejected. We're going to see if we get back above 257. If not, we could be looking for 255 or below for more downside. AMD also has a lower high that's being made, so this could be favoring essentially 203 or below. Coinbase is rejecting. We have basically 367 as our support. If it doesn't hold, we're looking for 360 or below. Amazon has resistance right here at 221 and 222. If we don't break those, we're looking for like 219. Meta rejected as well. We could be tipping back down to like 700 flats. Google needs to hold above 247.59. If not, 246.43 is coming. And then Microsoft could be dipping all the way down to 520 if we don't hold around this 523.5 support. So there is some downside risk. The VIX is starting to break out. Could this be the breakout from this flag right here? If this continues to break past 17.8, this will continue to break out. So for now, the market looks more bearish and there's going to be a risk of downside. Let's see where we close. If we close near these levels, there's going to be a risk of more downside because of the bearish engulfing candle forming on SPY. So be careful. Let's see how well we hold up for now. And overall, we're starting to shift directions and the market's starting to look more bearish. So keep that in mind. There is downside risk and we'll see what happens from this point on. Thank you all so much for listening. I want to make this video as fast as possible to get this out there. Have a good day and watch your levels. And I'll be back very soon with another update. Thank you for listening again and peace out.